Good morning, dear student. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, which is related to chapter number 8, trigonometry. In this chapter, we are going to apply trigonometry in our daily life. This is the name of chapter is application of trigonometry. Why we use trigonometry in our daily life, in which way we are going to apply. Okay, for basic things, first is line of sight. Line of sight is the line between point and eye of observer. It means observer is watching any point. The line between these two is a line of sight. Now, next point is angle of elevation. If the point watching is above the horizontal line, what is horizontal line? If I am watching from my eyes, so straight line that I am watching like this, it is a horizontal line. If I am watching point above that horizontal line, then it will be angle of elevation. It means if I am watching from here, the point is here, this will be my horizontal line and my line of sight will be this. I am watching this point, then this angle will be angle of elevation. If I am standing here and my horizontal line is this and this is line of sight, this is the object that I am watching. So this angle will be depression. Okay, this angle called will be depression angle. Now this we will apply in our exercise 9.1. Slowly we will solve all the question and you will understand more from the questions. In first question, they said a circus artist, they have given the diagram in this. A circus artist is climbing on a rope. He is climbing on a rope. That rope is 20 meter long and the angle of elevation between rope and the ground, that is 30 degree. We know that if it is tied to a pole, then pole must be a straight. This will be perpendicular line. So I am going to name it A, B, C. Firstly, I will write length of rope. Length of rope is equal to 20 meter. So this is angle of elevation or depression. This will be elevation angle because I am watching from here, because he started from here and going here. So this is angle of elevation from point. This is above. Okay, now angle of elevation is equal to 30 degree. What I have to find out? I have to find out the height of pole. This is the height of pole. Okay, I have to find out AB. Now look at the diagram. If a side is having two angles, this must be a base. Okay, and the line opposite to 90 angle, that is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. Okay, now we are going to use chapter number 8, trigonometric ratios. See from here, I have H, hypotenuse I have, but I need perpendicular P. So think that ratio that includes P and H. वो ratios जिसमें P and H होगा वो हमने select करनी है. So we can see that sin, cos and tan. Sin is P by H, cos is B by H, tan is P by P. So which ratio I need? I need P and H. It means sine. So I will take a sine ratio. Sine theta. Okay. Sine theta is equal to P by H. What is the value of theta? This is 30 degree. So I will put here 30 degree. Okay. Perpendicular is AB. I will mention AB here. Hypotenuse I know that it's 20. Okay, now I have put the values. Sine 30, see from the table what is the value of sine 30? It's 1 by 2 from table that we have done in chapter number 8. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. The here is AB by 20. Cross multiply it. We got AB is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 meter. It means height of pole will be 10 meter. Okay, in this type you can solve other questions also. I will solve fourth question for you related to this one. Okay, in fourth question, they said the angle of elevation of the top of tower. It means the tower is straight and this angle will be 90. These things that we know. Okay, always tower, pole, they will make perpendicular with the ground. So this is the tower and the angle of elevation of top of tower from the ground is 30 degree. And the height of pole is, and this set which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower. वो point जो foot of tower से 30 meter away है. They said, read the statement very carefully. They said a point, angle of elevation of top of tower with the point is 30 degree and that point is 30 meter away from foot of tower. Foot of tower is here and this is point. This distance is 30 meter. Okay, now we have to find the height of tower. Same as this one. I have to find this. Give name A, B, C. Now, the line having two angles, that will be base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay. Now what I need height of pole and base they have given. Hypotenuse, no need of this because they ask for height and base I am having. So this is P and B. Think about the ratio which include P and B. This is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to P by B. Theta means angle they have given 30 degree. Okay. Perpendicular I have to find out and base is 30 they have given. Okay. Now tan 30 is, from table we will see the value 1 by root 3 and P by 30. Cross multiply it, P is equal to 30 by root 3. In this question we know that in base we can't include root term. So I will write P is equal to 30 by root 3. Okay. Then rationalize it. By which number I will rationalize? I will rationalize by root 3. Okay. 30 into root 3, 30 root 3. Root 3 multiply root 3. It will become 3. Okay. When I divided it, I got my answer is tan root 3. This is my answer, perpendicular distance. Okay. You can solve it and get your answer. If you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you and have a nice day.